In this video, we will tackle about integers. So, before that, here are some goals that we need to achieve in this video. First is we will define what is integers, and we will determine the rules in adding and subtracting integers, and also we will discuss the purpose of the number line. The last goal of this lesson is to present some examples which can demonstrate how the rules are being used. What is integers? Basically, an integer is a negative or positive number. Some example of it is 5, -2, -12, and 8. On the other hand, pi, 1/2, and 1/5 are not integers. As a general rule of adding and subtracting integers, if the number does not contain any sign in front of it, it is considered as a positive number, such as 5, 8, and other numbers that is positive. While on the other hand, -2 and -12 are the examples of the negative numbers. So basically, the number line is a picture of a graduated line which serves as the abstraction for the real numbers. Every point of a number line is corresponding to the real number, as well as the real number corresponds to the point of a number line. So there's another rule that we need to follow in adding and subtracting integers. If we will add some positive integers, we just simply move to the right side of a number line. While on the other hand, if we will add some negative or subtract positive integers, we will just simply move to the left side of the number line. So what is 1 plus 9 is equals to x? Mathematically, we can say that 1 plus 9 is equals to x. In order to get the value of x, we need to solve it. We all know that this question is very simple, but please bear with me. In order to solve this question, now we will use a number line. So let's start in solving this question. So using the number line, we will start at 1 and move on the right direction of a number line which consists of the positive numbers. In order to achieve the value of x, we need to move with 9 spaces. So therefore, the value of x is equals to 10. So let's move on the other example. What is -2 plus 1 minus 3 is equals to v? As you can see, we use 3 numbers which consist of a different sign of an integers as an operations. In order to combine it, we should start at -2, move to the right side with 1 space, and lastly, move to the left side with 3 spaces in order to get the value of v. So we end up with -4. So therefore, v is equals to -4. There are some set of rules that you need to follow in adding and subtracting integers. As you can see, the first rule is same sign. When combining same sign numbers, we just simply add the numbers and copy the sign of it. For example, 12 plus 8. As you can see, 12 and 8 has the same sign, which is the positive sign. So the things that we need to do is to just simply copy the sign of it and get the sum of the two numbers. So 12 plus 8 is equals to 20. So another example is -8 plus -6. As you can see, -8 and -6 has the same sign, which is the negative sign. So we just simply add these two numbers and copy the sign of this. So -8 plus -6 is equals to -14. So the second rule is different sign. When combining a different sign, numbers, we just simply subtract it and copy the sign of the greater number. So for example, negative 8 plus 2 is equals to negative 6. As you can see, negative 8 is a greater number and it contains with the negative sign. Therefore, we should copy the sign of negative 8 and the sum of it will become negative 6. Let's take a quick review. Integers are the set of the negative and the positive numbers. In order to combine some integers with different signs, we need to follow the rules of it. Using a number line, we should remember that on the right direction, it is containing with the positive numbers. On the other hand, on the left side of a number line, it is where the negative numbers can be located.